A joint operation has been launched by the Indian Army and the police in Kishtwar. One terrorist affiliated with the Jaish-e-Mohammed outfit has been neutralized. The encounter marked a significant success in the ongoing counter-terrorism efforts in the region, with security forces acting on specific intelligence to corner the Jaish outfit. And remember, viewers, this is coming right after how so many efforts have been made to crack down on terror. One Jaish terrorist gunned down by the Indian Army. And we have those pictures also coming in for you from earlier today from Kishtwar. It's a joint operation by the Indian Army and the police. We're trying to connect to our colleague Gursimran in a short while from now. Significant victory when it comes to crackdown against terror. Gursimran joining us. Gursimran, you know, the Jaish-e-Mohammed has been extremely active in that area. And finally, one terrorist has been neutralized. If you could take our viewers through what else do we know about this encounter, how many more terrorists are still hiding, and what is happening in those operations as we speak.
See, this is a big success for the Jammu police as well as for the Indian Army, that after relentless operations for more than 20 days in different parts of the Jammu region, they have been able to neutralize terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed, while 2 terrorists are still trapped. These terrorists are part of the Jaish group that is headed by Jaish commander Saifullah, who is a Pakistani terrorist, and we can also confirm that the killed Jaish terrorist is a Pakistani terrorist. This was in the Chatru area of the Kishtwar, where the encounter broke out between the terrorists and the security forces, and based on this intelligence input, we saw that how the terrorists were sneaking into the Indian territory. But when this group of terrorists, they were intercepted by the Jammu and Kashmir police day before yesterday evening, police cordoned in along with the Indian Army, and now one terrorist has been neutralized. That is the confirmation we are getting from the Indian Army as well as Jammu and Kashmir police, and the forces are hopeful that by the end of the day they will be able to neutralize this entire group of Jaish-e-Mohammed, thus getting a major success for the security forces as well as the civilians in the Kishtwar district. Because if you see the backdrop of these incidents, starting from the 23rd of March in the Sanyal, where terrorists escaped, then in the Sufain area, we saw that the 3 terrorists of Jaish were killed, but 4 brave hearts of the Jammu and Kashmir police made a supreme sacrifice. So that was a major setback, despite the fact that the terrorists were killed. Then it was on the 31st of March where we saw that the terrorists were trapped in the Pantirthi area of Bilawar, but they managed to escape. Day before yesterday, it was in the Ramnagar area. Terrorists also managed to escape, but now they have been killed. 1 terrorist has been killed and 2 are trapped.